Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube video, and in this video we are going to solve a really interesting problem related to digital electronics and Boolean algebra and logic simplification. So in this video what we are going to do is we are using the Boolean laws and Boolean rules to simplify the following expressions. So these are the two questions that we will be solving in this video. So let us start the solution. So the first question at hand is y is equal to a b bar d plus a b bar d bar. Now basically what we are trying to do is use the 12 rules of the Boolean laws and then thereby solving these kind of equations. So the first thing, if you notice in this question here, is that to simplify this expression we can take out a factor which is common to both these expressions. So in this one what is happening is a b bar is common in both the terms. So what in the first step we can do is we can rewrite this as a b bar taken out as common. So inside the first bracket we will now have d plus d bar. Now there is a rule of Boolean algebra, that is rule number 5. So rule number 5 says that if you have a variable, let us say p, and if you add the complement of the same variable to itself, then the answer is always 1. So we are going to apply this particular rule in this step over here. So what is going to happen is that d plus d bar is going to be 1. So right here we have a b bar multiplied by 1. Now another rule of Boolean algebra, that is rule number 2. That rule number 2 says that if you multiply any variable with 1, you always get the same variable as the answer. So that means a b bar multiplied by 1 is equal to a b bar. And since now further no calculation is possible, hence this is the simplified answer for this particular part of the question. Now in the second question what we have is a little more different term. So here we have x is equal to a c d plus a bar b c d. So what we are going to do is use the same technique that we have used in the previous question. We know that the given expression can be simplified by applying the Boolean laws and rules repeatedly. So what is the first statement that we are going to do is first look out for any common terms. So for example here we have c and d common in both these terms. So let us take cd common inside from them. So right now we have cd multiplied by a plus a bar b. So now here what we can do is that here now applying with the rule number 11. So rule number 11 says that a plus a bar b can be written as a plus b. So however we already have a kind of a rule here, but if you want to see the complete derivation of this rule in this very expression, we can do that. So let us derive how does this come down. So I'll write this as cd multiplied by, here we have a plus a bar b. So the one of the rules says that the value of a can be written as a plus ab. So I'll write this as a plus ab plus a bar b. So this would be cd multiplied by, now what we are going to do is we are going to write this a as a multiplied by, so this is a multiplied by a plus ab plus a bar b. Now this is equal to cd multiplied by, so if you notice here we now have 4 terms, that is a bar is equal to 0. So I'll write this as double a plus ab plus a bar plus a bar b. This would be equal to cd multiplied by. Now in this, if you notice, we can use the concept of factoring or the distributive law. So here right here we have a plus a bar multiplied by a plus b, and the value of a plus a bar is technically 1. So this is cd multiplied by 1 multiplied by a plus b inside the bracket, and so finally we have cd multiplied by a plus b. So this, my friend, right here is the final answer for this particular problem. I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.